in this video, some more examples on Bayes theorem I would like to solve here. Before that, let me again give the brief about Bayes theorem. Let A1, A2 and up to An be the set of all exhaustive and mutually exclusive events of the sample space S. Okay, S is divided it into A1, A2 up to An with each probability is not equal to 0. And another event E is associated with AIs. Okay, like this I have shown here. This is A1, A2, A3 and so on up to N. And another event E is going to happen. And E is little subsets of all everything. Okay, with the probability of E is not equal to 0, then probability of AI relative to E means E is going to happen first, then AI is equal to probability of AI into probability of E relative to AI divided by summation of I equal to 1 to N probability of AI into probability of E relative to AI. Using this examples I am going to solve here. First one, the chance that a doctor will diagnose a disease correctly is 60% and the chance of the patient will die after correct diagnosis is 40%. These two are different here, please understand. And the chance of death by wrong diagnosis is 70%. If a patient dies, what is the chance that his disease was correctly diagnosed? Here, let A be the event of correct diagnose of disease, therefore A bar will be event of wrong diagnosis of disease. Then therefore what they are given here then? Therefore probability of A they are given. Probability of chance is nothing but probability of correct diagnosis of the disease is 60%, that is 0.6, and therefore probability of wrong diagnosis will become 1 minus probability of correct diagnosis, 1 minus 0.6 equal to 0.4. This is different again. Then let E be the event that a patient dies. The patient dies. Okay, then the patient will die in two ways. The patient will die after correct diagnosis and patient will die after wrong diagnosis. Therefore, what happening is here, first of all, what they are given 40%. The chance of the patient will die after correct diagnosis means probability of conditional probability here. Already correct diagnosis is happened, but then also the patient will die. This is probability of E relative to A. Okay, once again let me explain here. Probability of A is going to happen first, means correct diagnosis is happened, but after that also the patient will die. That is probability of E relative to A is 40% they are given, that is 0.4. And second one also they are given, probability of already the wrong diagnosis has been done, that is A bar, but then also the patient will die. This is 70%, that is 0.7 they have given. Okay, next what we have to calculate here, we have to find that, okay, if a patient dies, means patient dies, what is the chance that the correct diagnosis, means the patient, we have to find out the probability of a patient dies. First is going to die, then what is that he is correctly diagnosed, means A. This one I have to find out. Okay, therefore by Bayes theorem, probability of A relative to E is equal to probability of E relative to A into probability of A divided by probability of A into probability of E relative to A plus probability of A bar into probability of E relative to A bar. Substitute the values. Probability of E relative to A bar is 0.4 into probability of E is 0.6 divided by same thing 0.6 into 0.4 plus probability of A bar is 0.4 into E relative to A bar is 0.7. Simplify this. I am going to get it as, using calculator you can solve this one, 0.4615. That is the probability of A relative to E. Means the patient will die after correct diagnosis. Okay, like this. Next example I am going to solve here is, here another example. Three major parties A, B, C are contending for power in the election of a state, and the chance of these winning the election in the ratio 1:3:5. The parties A, B, C respectively have probabilities of banning the online lottery. Important. Banning the online lottery is 2/3, 1/3 and 3/5 respectively. What is the probability that there will be a ban on the online lottery in the state? What is the probability that the ban is from the party C? Here also again the Bayes theorem I have to use here. First let me take the, what is the given? Probability of winning by the party A. Probability of the winning by party A is equal to probability of A they are given. How to find out? Indirectly they are given, it is. That must be equal to probability A is win by one time. Out of total possibilities, how many possibilities are here? Total 9 times. 1 plus 3 plus 5. That is 1 divided by 1 plus 3 plus 5. That is equal to 1 divided by 9. Okay, like that probability of winning by the party B is equal to probability of B is equal to, again it is 3 divided by 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is 3 divided by 9 or 1 by 3. Similarly, probability of C is 5 divided by 1 plus 3 plus 5. That is 5 divided by 9. Okay, these are the probabilities of winning of the parties A, B, C. And let E be the event of banning online lottery. Therefore, what they have given these things then? 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and 3 by 5 is probability of online lottery. Sorry, first party A wins, then he is going to ban the online lottery. If A is winning, then probability of online lottery is banning is given by 2 by 3 they are given. And probability of if the party B wins, already that is going to happen, then online lottery is going to ban. Conditional probability, it is given by 1 by 3. Like that, probability of if C wins, this is given, that is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, first case, total probability of the event E, total probability of the event E, that is total ban by any party. Therefore, probability of E is equal to probability of A into probability of E relative to A plus probability of B into probability of E relative to B plus probability of C into probability of E relative to C. Okay, substitute the values here. Probability of A is 1 by 9, E relative to B is 2 by 3 plus probability of B is let me take 3 by 9 only into probability of this is 1 by 3 plus next probability of C is 5 by 9 into probability of E relative to C is 3 by 5. Here 3 cancels, and what you can find LCM over all these things is 27. 9 into 3, 27, 9 into 3, 21. Here 3 is not there. Therefore, it is 2 plus 3 plus 3 into 3, 9, which is equal to 14 divided by 27 is the part. Almost 50% the lottery will be banned. Like that, another question in the same problem, what they have asked is, the lottery will be banned by party C. The lottery will be banned by party C. That means already the banning of lotteries already happened, then it is done by party C. What to find out? Therefore, this is given by probability of C into probability of E relative to C divided by probability of A into probability of E relative to A plus probability of B into probability of E relative to B plus probability of C into probability of E relative to C. This is by Bayes theorem. Substitute the values and let me calculate here. Probability of C is 5 by 9. Probability of E relative to C is 3 by 5 whole divided by this one already I calculated. It is probability of is 14 divided by 27, which is equal to 5 cancels. 3 divided by 9 into 27 divided by 14. Okay, and here 9 ones are 9 threes are, therefore which is equal to 9 divided by 14. This is the probability of party C will ban the online lottery. Like this, another example I am going to solve here. Next example is, in a class 70% are boys and 30% are girls. 5% of the boys and 3% of the girls are irregular to the classes. What is the probability of a student selected at random is irregular to the classes? And what is the probability that the irregular student is girl? Again, here I am going to use a Bayes theorem. First, let me define one by one. Let probability of selecting boy, that is probability of B equal to, they are given 70%, that is 0.7. Like that, select probability of selecting girl is equal to probability of G. 30% of the girls are there, out of that only I have to select, that is 0.3. Then let E be the event of irregular student, Therefore, what they are given this? 5% of the boys are irregular to the class. Therefore, probability of a boy is already selected and he is irregular equal to 5%, 0.05. Like that, probability of girl irregular to the class equal to 3%, that is 0.03. Then what I have to find out here? What is the probability of student selected at random is irregular to the classes. Therefore, probability of irregular student to the classes, is equal to probability of E I have to find out. That is total probability I have to find out. Total probability. Therefore, probability of E is equal to probability of B into probability of E relative to B plus probability of G into probability of E relative to G. Substitute the values here. Probability of B is 0.7 into 0.05 plus 0.3 into 0.03, and it comes out to be total probability of irregular students is 0.044. Okay, and another question in this I have to find out is the probability that the irregular student is girl. Probability that irregular student is girl, I have to find out. That is the probability of already student is irregular, that is to be a girl. Therefore, probability of G relative to E is equal to, I have to define, G relative to E is given by probability of G into probability of E relative to G divided by probability of B into probability of E relative to B plus probability of G into probability of E relative to G. This is by Bayes theorem. Okay, substitute the values and simplify. Probability of G is equal to, they are given, that is 0.3 into 0.03 divided by 0.7 into 0.05 plus 0.3 into 0.03. Let me simplify this, and the final answer comes out to be 0.2045. This is the probability of irregular student as a girl. Okay, like this. Another example I am going to solve here at the end. Please watch the video till end. Last problem, just I am going to read this problem. You can try this. In a college, boys and girls are equal in proportion. It was found that 10 out of 100 boys and 25 out of 100 girls were using the same brand of two-wheelers. If a student using that was selected at random, what is the probability of being a boy? Let probability of both are in the same proportion, therefore probability of B into probability of G, selecting a boy or a girl, is equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.5. If E is an event of choosing a student using the same brand of vehicle, then what is given? Probability of, if a boy selected and he is using the same brand of, is equal to 10 out of 100. Therefore, it is a 10 divided by 100 equal to 0.1. Okay, this is 0.1. And like that, probability of a girl selected and it is to be a using the same brand of vehicle, that is 25 out of 100 equal to 0.25. Therefore, total probability of E, that is choosing the student same brand, is equal to probability of E is equal to probability of B into probability of E relative to B plus probability of G into probability of E relative to G. Substitute the values 0.5, 0.1, 0.5, 0.25. It comes out to be 0.175. And I have to find out the probability of selected boy is using the same brand is a boy. Therefore, probability of B relative to E is equal to probability of B into probability of E relative to B divided by probability of E, total probability. It is nothing but again by Bayes theorem. 0.5 into 0.1, substitute the values, divided by 0.7175 already calculated, and it comes out to be 0.2845. Okay, dear students, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button and also give the comments so that what I should solve in the next videos. Thank you, friends.